Rolls-Royce has stunned the automotive world with its latest creation, a roadster masterpiece that redefines luxury on a miniature scale. Introducing the Rolls-Royce Cameo, a roadster like no other, offering exceptional craftsmanship at a surprisingly accessible price of $5,500, cheaper than a Miata. This miniature model offers enthusiasts and collectors the rare opportunity to own a piece of Rolls-Royce heritage without the hefty price tag, crafted from premium materials like oak wood and polished aluminum. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, the Cameo is not just a model, but a hands-on project that allows owners to assemble their own luxurious roadster. The intricately detailed interior, featuring leather upholstery and 3D printed components, showcases Rolls-Royce's unwavering commitment to quality. Despite its compact size, the Cameo captures the essence of the brand's iconic luxury vehicles, with an authentic chassis, smooth rolling wheels, and even a miniature driver figure made from aluminum and leather. It's a functional yet stunning collectible that speaks to the brand's dedication to fine craftsmanship. Priced far below the cost of traditional Rolls-Royce cars, the Cameo offers a unique and creative way for automotive lovers to connect with the brand's legacy. Perfect for those who appreciate meticulous design and exclusive memorabilia, it makes an ideal gift for anyone looking to add a rare, elegant item to their collection. The Cameo merges modern innovation with timeless Rolls-Royce luxury, sure to captivate enthusiasts and collectors around the world.